Hello friends, now here comes my one more video based upon the requests raised by my students to create a video on marketing strategies of Malabar Gold and Diamonds. So I would like to use the website analysis of this particular company. So I have opened the Google and I have typed Malabar Gold. So first of all, I would like to mention here this page came, and as you can see under the search engine optimization category or strategy, this Malabar Gold and Diamonds coming under the organic search category, because had it been in organic search category, so they would have mentioned ads here, but since there is no ad as a word mentioned here, so let us treat this under the organic search engine optimization category, so which proves that Malabar Gold Diamonds page is searched several times by the public. Okay, so now if you talk about the group company, here as you can see from this particular page, Malabar Gold and Diamonds is the flagship company of Malabar Group. So that's the group company, and this is the another strategic business unit which is called Malabar Gold and Diamonds, which is the flagship company. Flagship means that's the famous one, that's probably gives more revenue. So now moving further, now I would like to open this website of Malabar Gold and Diamonds. Let us see what kind of strategies they have adopted. Now first of all, as you can see, they have given you the two numbers. One is the landline and the other one is the mobile number. So this is a direct marketing tool they have adopted here. And there is another provision that you can buy online jewelry as well. So this is what we call it, an e-commerce strategy given by the Malabar Golds and Diamonds, apart from their physical stores which are available in several countries. As they have mentioned, they are available in most of the countries. As far as concerned about the other strategies, so let me take you through the several images of this particular company. Now the first one is, you can see here, it is the Gemstone Jewelry Festival. So jewelry is a kind of product which is sold under the different strategies. Let it be a festival based or any kind of occasion based sales may take place, or any kind of gift based sales may take place, or maybe any kind of investment based sales may take place. So there are several strategies with respect to sales that they have adopted, and as you can see here as well, there are multiple images. So let me open this festival based strategy, and the second one is they have given you 20 designs here. One India, one gold rate, which is the standard geographical pricing they have adopted. Usually if you run through different geographies, you will find different prices, but that is the kind of strategy they have adopted, and for this they have made an advertisements as well, due to which their sales have improved. Okay, so moving towards the another strategy, that is the uncut jewelry. The next one is the fixed pricing strategy through advance, wherein you can protect the from the rise in gold rate by making an advance payment somewhere around 10% or a little more than that. So you can book in advance, and accordingly you can protect the pricing here. So price protection they have given you. Moving for another strategy is, yes, you can also book an appointment for shopping. They will provide you an expert who will personally take care of you. That's what we call it, customer intimacy under direct marketing strategy. And then they will offer you or provide you several other options. Herein, today is 26th of January 2021, and on this Republic Day, they have again made a strategy called sales promotion strategy, which is an exclusive online offer. They have given you flat 26% off on making charges on jewelry. So sales promotion means they'll probably, it is a strategy that influence you to purchase now. So this is what we call it, another sales strategy. And then moving further, now if you look at there are several product lines, as you can see from here. One is on a solitaire based, then another product line is on diamond based, then gold based, platinum based, gold coins, watches. They have another category, and so there are multiple product lines, as you can see from this website. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, as I can see here. So under this particular product line called watches, you have got multiple brands such as Garmin, MK, Seiko, Tissot, and as you can see from here. And under each brand, you would be able to find out multiple variants, which becomes an example of line extension as well. So that is the width of Malabar Gold and Diamonds, and under width you have the length of a particular product line called watches, and under length you have got the depth as multiple variants under each brand. So that was the portfolio mix of Malabar Gold and Diamonds. Now moving further with this, yes. Now Malabar Gold and Diamonds, I would really acknowledge them as a very good or true marketeer, because they have adopted the marketing philosophy wherein they are adopting several marketing strategies in order to boost their sales and in order to generate a positive word of mouth for them. So the first one is assured lifetime maintenance. You see that's a wonderful strategy. See, when a customer purchases either a product or a service, then they pay a certain amount. You see, that amount should not be for a product or service, but that amount should be for a particular duration, Only then you become a true marketeer. Only then you try to reduce the risk of the customer. So they have mentioned here assured lifetime maintenance. So this kind of assurance definitely helps you getting more number of customers and generates a positive review for your rating towards your organization. Then there comes the easy exchange under consumer behavior strategy. Unless and until companies doesn't provide the exchange option, it becomes difficult to get in a new kind of product. So old has to go out and the new has to come in. So there has to be an exchange policy everywhere. And apart from this, as a support tool, they are also providing you the insurance. So which is very important these days. Most of the players, whether it is in telecom or whether it is in automobile, but now as you can see in jewelry, everybody is trying to give you the insurance as well. So this becomes the example of marketing philosophy wherein they provide you 14 days return policy. This is very important. If a customer has made a decision and choose either a product or a service, then he should have the liberty of a certain days. You see, in marketing, we call it a testing warranty. Even there are several organizations these days now give you a 30 days or 15 days refund or return policy. And this reduces the risk of the customer. And then they've got this tested and certified diamond. So that's a physical evidence strategy they have adopted under marketing. So if you talk about marketing, different P's of marketing, so they have adopted all P's of marketing. Let it be product P of marketing, they have made several decisions under that, such as the line extension, brand extension, multi-branding and stuff like that. And then if you talk about the pricing decisions, they have adopted several strategies. One is standard geographical pricing, and the second one is protection-based pricing or fixed price-based pricing. So under the place also, I will show you several other strategies in place, as they are in multiple countries as well, and they have got physical as well as virtual stores. Okay, and the another marketing strategy, which is the sixth strategy, as you can see from here, the complete transparency is very important. So they are actually talking about the marketing ethics here. And then the seventh is the zero deduction gold exchange, which is very good strategy here. The eighth one is again a physical evidence because it is the hallmark jewelry by BIS. So that's the organization that gives them the certification as well. And guaranteed buyback. That's a wonderful strategy of marketing, wherein the risk of the customer is reduced because the buyback provision is there. So you can always upgrade because of this strategy. So I would really appreciate the efforts made by Malabar Gold and Diamonds. And now let me take you to one product line called, let's say, rings. Now I will show you under this particular product line, they have given you two options. One is the mass customization option, wherein you can make your own solitaire ring, and the other one is their preset standard solitaire ring. So I'll click on this particular product, and as you can see here, they have given you search filters. So you can choose your ring with the help of product type option, and then stock status, and then price wise you can move and search, and there are more filters as well, which would give you the huge range, maybe the ring size or the metal color or design type, so that's the kind of the line extension they have given you, which is very good. So higher the line extension, higher the choices. Okay. So, and then you can sort by as well, sort by name, sort by prices. So that's the kind of search filter strategy. And under this ring, you can have the stock keeping units. That stock keeping units also comes under the line extension provision. And that's how, at the same time, they promise lifetime maintenance, your jewelry is insured, 14 days return policy, complete transparency, and easy exchange, and certified diamonds and hallmark and zero deduction guaranteed by them. So they are making their customer at ease psychologically. Okay, now moving further, as you can see here, we are online provision. This is what the strategy we call it, virtual assistantship. As I'll just click on it, this comes under the digital marketing or direct marketing strategy of marketing communication mix tool. You submit your name, email ID and contact number, and then you can start the chatting provision with the virtual assistant available online. I would recommend all the companies to have virtual assistantship kind of strategy available, because with the help of this you get the data, and then you can retarget the prospective customer, and you can convert those prospective customers into real ones. So then moving further, as you can see from here, that's the social media marketing tools they have adopted, and then they are also giving you the provisions for online payment. So that is the kind of support they have provided you. They have given you the provision of cash on delivery as well, net banking. So they are even supporting you in terms of insurance and banking. So now you can see from here, about Malabar, and then Malabar promises. You can also track your order, which is again a very good strategy. Each website should offer you this track my order provision. And then there are several policies, as you can read from the refund policy, buyback policy, exchange policy, shipping policy, cancellation policy, and privacy policy. This is very, very important to reduce the risk of the customer. So for example, if a customer later on decides to exchange or would like to upgrade, the marketeer should provide each and every option. Earlier what used to happen is that once you have bought a product or service, the deal is done, and then the customer was not in a position to come up with such schemes. And then there are scheme payments, smart buy, offers, mass customization, direct marketing, all kind of strategies they have adopted here. Now in terms of talking about the place P of marketing, so let me take you through their distribution width or market width. In place P of marketing also there are 4 D's of marketing. First is distribution width, distribution depth, and display and discipline. So if you have got the higher width, automatically the depth becomes higher. So the distribution width is the multiple countries or multiple stores that you have, and the depth is that the stock available with each store or in each country. So as you can see here, they are available in several countries. So apart from adopting this ethnocentric orientation, they also adopt polycentric, geocentric and regiocentric orientations as well. So that depends on country to country. Maybe they may adopt a polycentric orientation. So talking about the country, especially in India, let me see how many stores do they have. So then there is another provision, locate our stores in India. So that is what the hyper local marketing is all about. So you can search the nearby stores available, and then this becomes the hyper local marketing as well. On Google also you'll be able to find this. So this is very, very important here. And as they mentioned, get maximum value when you sell your old. Well, that becomes the example of customer value. as well. So several marketing related examples that the entire marketing syllabus that we teach our students, a lot of examples we are able to connect to. So, online marketing, be it app-based marketing, be it e-commerce or m-commerce, or be it direct marketing, or be it digital marketing. So as you can see, the standard geographical pricing here as well, in different states the gold rate is same. So you can go anywhere, and accordingly they have given or shown their commitments which are based upon marketing. And I would say, with respect to the marketing strategy, Malabar Gold and Diamonds has done a wonderful job. So with this, I would like to end this website analysis and the marketing lessons that we have learned from this website or from this company. And I request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more number of videos in your YouTube inbox, because I keep coming up with lots of marketing lessons from different players in marketing, and that makes your life easy in terms of making connection, rather theoretical connection with the practical scenarios. So thank you very much.